Is your Hyundai Palisade screen going black whenever you connect Apple CarPlay? Statistically, 80% of these display issues are software glitches that don't require any expensive repairs. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your connection back online. Start by verifying your cable quality and clearing the saved Bluetooth pairing profiles from both devices. Common culprits include outdated iOS software or a simple cache conflict within the car's infotainment system. Try the pinhole hard reset button on your dash to force the system to reboot its communication drivers. Most users can resolve this at home, but persistent black screens suggest a hardware issue requiring professional attention. As you can see, a simple cable swap or infotainment reset fixes the vast majority of these display failures. If it still fails, test with another iPhone to rule out a specific device software conflict. Keep these items in your glove box to handle minor connectivity issues on the go. Always remember that keeping your vehicle software current prevents these glitches from returning. If these steps didn't work, contact your local dealership for a warranty check. Thanks for watching.